Welcome back to this video. This video will see how to configure OSPF in multiple areas. As you can see, we have in fact three different areas in this diagram. We have area 10 here, and we have area 20 here, area 0 here, and we have area 20 here. And we have this router, let's say router 1 here, and we have two networks connected to this. We have the 1.0 network. 1.0 network is which is this LAN here, and also we have the WAN connected on this interface S010, which is given as 10.0.0.1 address here. So we need to advertise these two networks in area what? Area 10, because the interface, if you look, both interfaces are inside this blue area or like an aqua color area here. So which means we need to advertise these two interfaces in area 10. Okay, that's all we need to do here. And in the middle router, let's say router 2 here, and we have three different areas going on here. We have the area 10 here. On this interface is S010, which is area 10, and this interface, which is the LAN interface, the default gateway, um, because that's going to be in green. So what is green? Green is area 0. Okay, and we have another interface here, which is the WAN interface S011, which is inside blue area, and that area is called area 20. So we need to advertise these three networks in three different areas. Okay, one area 10, and then here on this LAN network, which is in green, that will be area 0, and this one here, which is the 11 network, 11.0.0.1 is the address here. That one will be in area 20. So let's do that. Actually, we haven't, did we advertise? No, we didn't do the first one. So let's go ahead and do that. So router OSPF 1 network will advertise this LAN first, 192.168.1.0, 0.0.0.255. And why is it? Because this is a class C, right? 192.168.1.0, this is class C address, and the class C default subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. And wildcard, you can think like just the opposite of subnet mask. Instead of 255.255.255.0, it will be 0.0.0.255. Okay, and then which area? This is in area 10, so area 10. Okay, and we have another network. This is the 10 network. So network 10.0.0.0 and 0.255.255.255. Why? Because this is class A. Class A default subnet mask. We are talking class full. Okay, class full subnet mask here is actually 255.0.0.0, and opposite you can think like that, and that would be 0.255.255.255. And then you have to give the area here. Area what? Area again, it's 10. Done. We are done with that router. We can save the configuration. Okay, now let's go to here. Again, we have three networks we need to advertise. We'll start with this 10 network. So router OSPF 1 network 10.0.0.0. Now again the wildcard mask will be 0.255.255.255, and area what? Area, because this interface is still in area 10, so it will be area 10. Now we'll advertise this LAN network G000. So that would be network 192.168.2.0, and as you can see, the message came up for the first which is the 10 network here, and the 1 network, and looks like they have formed neighborship. That's all it means. So we'll continue with our configuration 2.0, and the default subnet mask is 255.255.255.0, but wildcard mask we have to give here, which means 0.0.0.255. And which area? This is in the green, which means is area 0. Okay, now we have to advertise this blue area. This interface is S011, which is the 11 network, which is the WAN interface, right? And so the network 11.0.0.0 and 0.255.255.255 area what? Area 20. Why 20? Because this interface is inside this blue area, and that is area 20. Okay, so now we have to go to this last, we'll save this, the last router 3, let's say. Okay, and we'll advertise what we are going to advertise there. Let's briefly talk about it before we configure. We have two networks, right? Only two networks, and we have the LAN here, which is the 3.0. Okay, 3.0 network. So this is the default gateway. So we need to advertise this in area 20, and we have the another one is the 11 network, the WAN interface, wide area network, and that's S010. That is also inside this blue area, which means both interfaces are going to be in the same area, which is area 20. This would be like this same here on one network and the 10 networks, same scenario. Okay, so let's do that. Router OSPF1 network 192.168.3.0 0.0.0.255 area what? 20. Now we have to advertise this WAN interface. So network 11.0.0.0 and 0.255.255.255, right? Because this is a class A. Wildcard mask is sorry, the subnet mask is 255.0.0.0. So the wildcard would be opposite 0 255 255 255 area 20. Okay, done. Now we are done with the OSPF. Sorry, Control Shift 6. OSPF configuration in multiple areas. Now we'll verify connection. Let's see, we can connect ping between this computer and this computer. Same for the, let's see, we can reach this server, and let's see if server can reach these PCs. So let's ping this one first. Ping 192.168.2.1. It's doing the ARP request now, and once it's done, it will start pinging. And you can see we are getting a reply from this server. Okay, this is a 2.1, and we'll ping this 3.1 PC. Okay, ping 192.168.3.1. It's doing the ARP request, and it should ping after this. And as we can see, it's pinging. We are getting reply from 3.1. We'll just quickly ping 3.2. And we are getting reply from 3.2, and we'll go to the server now, see if we can ping 1.1, ping 192.168.1.1, and we are getting reply. We'll ping 3.1, ping 3.1, and we are getting reply. So this side is pretty much working, and let's see here. Let's ping the server first, 192.168.2.1, which is a server address, and that's working, and we are getting reply from the server. And we'll ping the one network ping 192.168.1.1. We are getting the reply. Let's ping 1.2, ping 192.168.1.2. We're getting the reply, and we'll quickly also ping 1.3, and we are getting the reply. So this is how you would configure OSPF in multiple areas. In this scenario, we have three different areas. So we have advertiser network in according to the diagram, and we have just verified the connection, and they can communicate each other as long as you did all the configuration correctly. So I hope this helps somewhat, and the next video we'll see something else. Thank you and good day.